homework?
All the subjects.
All the subjects. So you have a lot of homework?
Yeah, of course.
Oh no. Do you enjoy doing homework?
Yes, of course.
Okay, well, homework makes us clever. So it's very good to do our homework. Okay, Chelsea, are you ready to start with your lesson today?
Yes, of course.
Okay, so today we are going to do Unit 2, Family Time. So we're going to talk about family. And then we're going to do Section 2. So we've already done Section 1. So now we're going to do Section 2. Okay, so in this section we are going to learn the structures. When was he born or when was she born? And he was born in 2012 or she was born in 2012. What does number 1 say?
Kids could start school at the age of 3.
Okay, kids should start school at the age of 3. What do you think? Do you agree with that or do you disagree with it?
I agree with it.
You agree with it. Why do you agree with it?
Because we also should start school at 3.
Oh, because you also start school at 3?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good morning, class. Good morning to you. How are you? I'm fine, thank you.
So, what are we going to learn and review today? We're going to review our phonics. So, what sounds are we going to review? Beautiful.
See my eraser.
Oh, what have you got? What is that?
Green eraser.
A green eraser. It's so
Yeah.
squishy. Oh, it's very squishy.
And I have blue eraser and green eraser.
Wow,
And
that's
I
pretty.
also have a pink eraser. I don't know. Oh, there.
Okay.
Pink eraser.
Oh, you have lots of erasers. What insect can you see?
I can see an ant.
I can see an ant. Good. And what is the ant doing?
He is take a nap.
He is taking a nap.
He is taking a nap.
Very good. What can you see in Shelly's bedroom?
I can see a bed, a ball, a pen, a pencil, a book, a marker, a ruler, a crayon, a dinosaur is on the chair.
So she's giving it back. So she is being polite. Are they being polite with each other?
Yes.
Yes, they are.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Are Shelly and Anne being polite to each other?
Yes.
Yes, very good.
A book, a pencil case, a pencil, and a dog.
Eh? What do we call this? Say it again. What is it?
Clock.
Yes, good. A clock. Very good.
A
Peter is cutting paper. Penny is writing her listening to a story, and Jack is playing a game.
Today we are going to review a story, and again it's called What's Maria Doing?
How many Marias are there in our class? There's one Maria here.
And there's one Maria here.
Yes, there are two Marias.
Okay, so how many Marias are there?
Twice.
There are two Marias.
There are two Marias.
Very good. So how many Marias are there?
There are two Marias.
So can Susie and Billy play the computer game?
No,
No, why not?
because there's only one computer.
Good. Because there is only one computer.
Because there is only one computer.
Very good. What word do we have here?
Jump,
Jumping.
jumping.
Very good. And which basket do we put it in? Amazing. What word do we have here?
Lord,
Ooh, and which basket does it go in? Good. This word?
bang.
Ooh, bang, like our balloon popped. It went bang. And which basket does it go in? We're going to blend the words. So our first word we have over here. And what does it say? So we chant the word.
Ink, sack.
Beautiful. Next one.
What?
E.
Ink. What? Ink. Wing.
Good.
He has a pink ring
Mm-hmm.
and big blue wing. Thank you, thank you.
Ooh, and what is the song about?
The queen is singing a song and she says thank you, thank you.
Very good. So he did sing a song and he says thank you because this is a boy and he, remember he's a boy, so he says
He
thank you.
says thank you, thank you.
Good. And what we done in this lesson, we learned our tag game, so we just reviewed that. Then we learned phonics with the G sound and a K sound. Can you give me one word that has a G sound? Think of one word. Any word.
King.
Beautiful. That's what we. Okay, don't forget to finish your homework. And you've done such a good job today, Jessie. Well done. Good job. And because it's your birthday, you get 5 stars today. And because you done so well, I can give you a sticker. Okay, goodbye, Jessie.
Bye.
Bye-bye. See you soon.
See you soon.
Bye. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jessie. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Jessie. Hope you have a lovely day. Lots What did you do today?
We have art class.
You had art class? Wow! What did you make?
It's pumpkins.
It's pumpkins! That is beautiful! Good job on that! Well done! That is very
Thank you.
beautiful. So let's get into it and listen to my favorite song.
It's Monday, 7:30. Kate has to wake up. Her mom sees the clock and says, "Wake up, sleepyhead." Go, go, go. Hurry, Kate. Hurry, Kate. You can't be late.
Yay! So today we're going to review around the world. We're going to talk about our 4 different time zones in the United States and calculate times in the time zones. Yay! What time is it in California?
California. It's 6 o'clock.
It's 6 o'clock, so we can move it to California. Good. Now let's chant the words. What does this say?
Camel.
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 Good. Game.
Game.
And this one.
Basketball.
Good. And this one.
Lamp.
It's a lamp. Now, which word has the A sound? Camel, game, basketball, or
It's
lamp?
game.
Yay! Very good. It is game. Now you need to find the word for me and pop it. So, yeah, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Right, let's find the word. Time. Time.
Time.
Click on it. There we go. And what is the verb? The verb is the doing word. What is the verb?
Rice.
He writes. Very good. That is a verb. So reviewed around the world. We talked about our different time zones. We worked on some phonics and we learned our subject and verbs.
Hello song.
Hello, teacher. Hello, friends. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, teacher. Hello, friends. Hello, hello, hello.
Today we're gonna learn hello monkey.
I see a dog.
What do you see?
We see a dog.
I see a dog. Beautiful. Can you act? Let's act like a dog. Woof, woof, woof. Woof, woof, woof. Can you show me a dog? Show me a dog. Woof, woof. Yeah, let me woof, woof, woof.
Woof, 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 woof.
Yay! Very good.
Huh? What do you see? I see a fish.
What do you see? What do you see?
I see a fish.
Beautiful.
I see a butterfly. Yes.
I see a butterfly.
It is blue.
It is blue.
Very good.
I see a monkey.
What do you see?
I see a monkey.
Are you ready? Dog.
Dog. Dog.
Clap your hands. Show me your hands. Dog.
Dog.
Yay! Do you see?
I see a monkey.
Now we need to find all the animals. Where are they? Can you click on it? What do you see? What do you see? Click on the animal. I see.
I see a butterfly.
Very
I see a dog. I see a fish. I see a monkey. I see a
What
bat.
is your favorite animal? What animal do you like?
Cats.
A cat. My favorite animal is also a cat. Wow, we are nearly finished. And now we are first going to say the word. So I only want the word, okay? So, what is it?
Dog.
Good. And what is it?
Fish.
Very good. And what is it?
Monkey.
Beautiful. And what is it?
Butterfly.
Butterfly. Now we are going to say the sentence. So we're going to do the structure. So what do you see?
Dog. I see a dog.
Very good. What do you see? Wait.
I see a monkey.
Very good. Okay, now we are going to write your name. Can you write your name for me? So, my name is Teacher Angie. Can you write your name?